Hello friends, welcome back to the channel and hope you are doing well. So today's video topic is how to fix this blue screen error, and you can see the error code as well. Critical process died. In this video I will show you how to fix it. So let's start the process. If you recently install any game or any software or any Windows update manually and after that you are getting this blue screen error, your first step will be uninstall that application. Click on your Windows icon and then type control panel. Click on this control panel option. Now in the view by, change it to small icons. Now click on this option, program and features. So in my laptop I don't have much softwares, but if you recently install any software or any game and after that you are getting this blue screen error, simply uninstall that application. And you can also arrange the applications by date wise as well. So to uninstall any application, right click on it, then click on uninstall. Or if you recently install any Windows update manually and after that you are getting this blue screen error, you can also uninstall that Windows update. On the left side, click on view install updates. So these are the Windows updates I have. You can also arrange these updates by date wise to identify which is the latest one. Now right click on it and uninstall it if you are getting the blue screen error after installing the Windows update manually. This is your first step. Now move on to our next step. Click on Windows icon and type reset this PC. Click on this option, reset this PC. Now in the advanced startup, click on restart now. So this option will help you to open your system in advanced mode. Click on restart now. Now you will get these three options. Click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced option. Now the first option you have to select is startup repair. So this option will repair all your startup files. Click on it. This will take few minutes and it will repair your startup files. If this method not work, open this advanced mode again, then click on troubleshoot, click on advanced option. Now click on this command prompt, select your login username. Now enter your login username password if you are using any password, otherwise leave it blank. Now we are going to run few commands to repair our Windows corrupted files. So start with our first command, bootrec space /fixmbr, press enter. Now type the next command, bootsect space /nt60 space sys, press enter. Now type the next command, bootrec space /fixboot, press enter. Now type the next command, bootrec space /rebuild bcd, press enter. And now type the next command, sfc space /scan now, press enter. And this process will take some time. This command will repair your Windows corrupted files, so you have to wait for a few minutes. Verification process completed. Now type the final command, chkdsk space c colon. So this command will repair the error in your hard disk. Press enter. Now type exit. Press enter. That's it. Now click on continue. So these are the some troubleshooting steps you can apply to fix your blue screen error in your laptop or desktop. This is all for the video. Thank you.